for a little treat. Have either of you been in S's before?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so you know a little bit what to expect.
A little bit.
A little bit. This might be a little bit more exciting. I would recommend your heads on the headrest.
Yeah.
If you.
There's not much
want-
headrest back in the middle here.
There's a shorter headrest there.
Yeah. It's good for driver visibility.
Yep.
Ooh.
That just sounds cool.
Got some tire squeal.
So we're gonna come up here. We're gonna go into launch mode.
Okay.
How do you do that?
So we're in drag strip mode actually with a little rocket ship,
Yeah.
and then we're gonna put both the brake and the accelerator pedal down.
Okay.
We're going into cheetah stance, so the front of the car is dipping down.
Mm-hmm.
Very cool.
Oh, I feel it.
All right, you guys ready?
Yep.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Oh! Woo! Oh man. Oh. Wow. Whoa. That's so cool.
Good soundtrack.
Yeah, not bad, huh?
You like the yoke?
I do. It takes a little bit getting used to.